Hey guys, welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Hoping you're all doing well. So today we are going to make the best homemade Italian pasta salad. This pasta salad is loaded with fresh and colorful vegetables, and it is topped with the best homemade Italian dressing. Guys, I made this pasta salad for my husband and he absolutely loved it. You will hear all his commentary at the end of this video. So stay with me and let's get started. To start, I have added enough water to a pot and I've just seasoned the water with salt. I brought the water to a boil and then I added my pasta. You can use any pasta of choice. Cook the pasta as per the cooking instructions on the packaging, and then go ahead and strain the excess water from your pasta. Next, I am going to wash my pasta using cold water, and this will ensure that the pasta stops cooking. You don't want your pasta to be too soft for this recipe. Set this aside for later use. Now, to make your delicious Italian dressing, you're going to need olive oil. You're also going to need some lemon juice. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add vinegar. And next, I'm going to add some black peppercorns. Also, this is grounded black peppercorns. If you don't have this, you can use any black peppers, that's fine. Next, I'm going to add honey. Then I'll go in with my mayonnaise, and then finally I will add grated Parmesan cheese. Then I'm going to make sure that I mix everything together until this is well combined. As soon as this is done, I'm going to set this aside for later use. As always, all the ingredients, including measurements, will be listed in the description box below. This Italian dressing is so good, so make as much or as little as you like. For the rest of the ingredients for this pasta salad, I will be using some mixed beans. This is from the tin. I drained the water and washed it with water. I also have some olives. I've got diced cucumber. I have cherry tomatoes. Next, I have my chopped red onions. I also have red kidney beans. Again, this is from the tin. I drained the water and then washed it with water. And then finally, I have some freshly chopped parsley. Okay, now time to put everything together. I've just added my cooked pasta to a bowl, and then I'm going to add my pulses. I've got my mixed beans, my red kidney beans. Next, I'll be adding my cherry tomatoes. Next, I will go in with my cucumber. Next, I will add the chopped red onions. After adding the red onions, I'm going to go ahead and add my olives, and then finally I will finish this off by adding the fresh parsley. Guys, this looks amazing. This Italian pasta is looking incredible. So because everything is layered nicely, I'm now going to go ahead and drizzle my delicious Italian dressing, and then I'll go ahead and toss everything together. Oh my goodness, this is the best Italian pasta recipe I have ever made. So if you're looking for one, don't look far. This is the recipe for you guys. It's so simple to make, it's so quick to make, and it is absolutely delicious. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly please click on that subscribe button, and don't forget to click on that notification bell, which will notify you for new recipes. Enjoy your delicious Italian pasta salad and just listen to my husband making his commentary in the background whilst he was enjoying this Italian pasta. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Oh my days. Oh my days.